Now, please welcome, it's my honor to introduce Acharya Brahmdeo from the Hindu tradition.
Let's keep 5 seconds of silence, one deep breath and slow, deep exhale. And we'll try to say the universal sound of Om together. Om. Well, thanks for having me today, and a warm welcome to Imam Abdullah for his new assignment. And it calls for, as we say it in modern management now, the servant leader to lead. In that spirit, Hinduism calls, you all probably have heard the term Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the world as one family. And to take it one step further, and this taking over in charge by Imam Abdullah today, let's remember the prayers from the Rig Veda, which says, Om Swasti Pantha Manuchare Masurya Chandrama Viva Pundar Dadatagnata Janata Sangame Mahi. Just praying to Almighty Ishwar God to grant us the same stability as the sun and the moon, which never deviate from their path. So Imam, be blessed, and we wish you that same direction, unwavering in spirit and in action. Hinduism is always universal. The prayers are all inclusive. The next one is praying for universal welfare. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santo Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyanto Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. May all be happy, all be free from pains and sufferings, and all stay well. But what needs for us to be guided as one human race? So the last few mantras of the Rig Veda is guiding, and one will take one which in particular is famous quite around the world, often quoted by world leaders. Om Sangachadvam Samvadadvam Samvo Manansi Janatam Deva Bhagam Yatha Purve Sandanana Upasate. So for us to succeed as one human race, we need that unity in thoughts, in words, and in actions. First, at my own level, then I can spread that all around me to the world. Changing the world starts by me changing myself. And in that spirit it goes, come and be our thoughts, come and be our goals, and come and be our strategies also. If your goals and thoughts are likewise, but strategies differ, then you'll take more time, or you'll have to beat about the bush to reach the goal. So Imam, please, wish you all the best in that. And then the last one would be 4 lines of a Hindi song, Sindhi bhajan, which we call it, the pious devotional songs. It says, Vah Shakti hame do daya nidhe kartavya marg par dat jave. Vah Shakti hame do daya nidhe कर्तव्य मार्ग पर डट जावे पर सेवा पर उपकार में हम, पर सेवा पर उपकार में हम जग जीवन सफल बना जावे, वह शक्ति हमें दो दयानिधे. So वह शक्ति हमें दो दयानिधे. Almighty, grant us with the knowledge and with the spirit, the drive, कर्तव्य मार्ग पर डट जावें, to stay put on our duties and responsibilities. पर सेवा पर उपकार में हम, so we'll be engaging in selfless service for the benefit of all around us. जग जीवन सफल बना जाए, that's the real success in life. So wish you all the same. Imam Abdullah. Follow Dharma for the righteous path, and obviously putting up all your efforts. As the saying God says, God doesn't help those who don't help themselves. God help those, only those who help themselves. Wish you all the best. And last, Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. So Shanti means peace. God grant peace to one and all. Thank you.